How to disable HDR mode on Instagram. To disable HDR, high dynamic range mode on Instagram, follow this simple step. First of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to your profile section. Now, once you are inside your profile section, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard option available at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings and privacy. Now, once inside the settings and privacy, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the media quality option available there. And if you find one, then simply tap on it. And if you don't, then you can tap on the search address bar and search for it as well. Now, once you tap on the media quality, you can see HDR option available there. Simply toggle the switch off if it is toggled on. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.